where it starts with on our arrival. You see that?
Yes, I see it, my lord.
Yes. Mr. Mohani is testifying, he's telling this court that on our arrival, we knocked on the room which we had seen during the day when Danzi is supposed to stay. Mr. Baloyi, and you say this was in Bukeng? Yes, in Rustenburg. Mr. Baloyi, yes. Mr. Mohani, we informed him that we are the police and then he opened the door. Mr. Baloyi, yes. Mr. Mohani, when we got inside, we found indistinct. Mr. Baloyi, yes. Mr. Mohani, we found that he is a suspect in the case of murder in Nongoma, where also a gun was found.
Yes, I see.
Kufakazi bange-2 November 2023 uMohane masifika ke sanqonqoza eminyango la esasibone khona ke emini ukuthi ke ila kufanele ukuthi abe uhlala khona uNtanzi uNomzana Baloyi uthi ke lapho kwakusebokeng show it's supposed to read Bukeng
Just read as is.
Yes, okay. Uthi lapho kwakusebokeng uMohane yebo eRustenburg uNomzana Baloyi yebo Mnumzana Mohane samtshela ke ukuthi siyamaphoyisa wase esivulela ke Mnumzana Baloyi yebo uMohane uma ngabe sifika ngaphakathi sathola akucacileke ukuthi noma ke akukho bhaliwe Mnumzana Baloyi yebo sathola ke ukuthi waye umsola ecaleni lokubulala kwaNongoma la ekwatholakala khona nesibhamu.
Then you testified yesterday as to how the firearm was recovered in this case. You remember?
Yes.
Izolo ke wethule ubufakazi ukuthi isibhamu satholakala kanjani kweqala uyakhumbula? Yebo.
Was it found from Bongani Ntanzi?
No, it was found from Mr. Buthelezi, Qiniselani Buthelezi.
Ingabe sathola uMnumzana uBongani Ntanzi? Cha, sathola uMnumzana uQiniselani Buthelezi.
And then let's go down under Mr. Mohane. Since we're already aware that it was him, since our informer had given us information about him, then I asked him what he knows about the Nongoma case. The case now we're talking about is case 163/10 of 2018.
Yes, I see.
UMohane kuyaqhubeka ke nanjengoba sasesazi ke ukuthi kwakuyena nanjengoba satshelwa ke noma ke ulwazi esanikezwa ke ngaye ngase ngimbuza ke ukuthi wazinike ngecala lakwaNongoma. Yebo ngiyabona lokho.
So Mr. Ntanzi was asked if he knew anything about the Nongoma case 163/10/2018 wherein he was not a suspect, according to your evidence.
Mr. Ntanzi was not a suspect in my case, possession of an experiment machine. The suspect there who was arrested was Mr. Qiniselani Makimba Buthelezi.
Ngofakazi bakho ngaba uMnumzana Ntanzi wabuzwa ke ngecala leli lakwaNongoma u16310 na 2018 uMnumzana Ntanzi wayengaseyona ke umsola ecaleni engangeliphenya icala lokutholakala nesibhamu kanye futhi ke nezinhlamvu ngokomthetho umsola lapho kwakuMnumzana uQiniselani Makimba Buthelezi.
Let's move to page 17 of the same transcript of 2 November 2023, line number 6 under Sergeant Mohane. We first told him that we are arresting him regarding the Nongoma case. First, we told him that he has the right to remain silent.
Saqale Mohane yaqhubeka ke saqale samtshela ke ukuthi simbophela icala lakwaNongoma uqala ke samtshela ukuthi ke unelungelo lokuthula angasho lutho.
So, my question to you is that Mr. Mohane told accused number 1 that he was arresting him regarding the Nongoma case. So, number 2, my apologies. Number 2, regarding the Nongoma case, wherein Mr. Bongani Ntanzi is not a suspect according to the records of the SAPS we have testified about in this court.
Yes, he was not a suspect in my case, specifically 163/10/2018.
Lana ke uMnumzana Mohane ke watshela inkantolo ukuthi ke watshela umsola wesibili ukuthi ke ungophela icala ke labaNongoma. Wena ke ngofakazi bakho Colonel oshoyo ke ukuthi ke kwama record ke asemaphoyiseni wayengasiyena umsola kulelo cala. Yebo kwi case 163/10/2018 uMnumzana Ntanzi wayengasiyena umsola.
Okay. So what exists as per the evidence of Sergeant Mohane. Let's now move on to exhibit LL1. It's the notice of rights, notice of constitutional rights. Line number 5 on page 20, are you there? Sorry, line number 5 on the transcripts, page 20.
Yes.
Yes. I'm going to read from line number 5, so that you can be able to get the context of this referral to Nongoma case 163/10 of 2018. Mr. Mohane, it is written here, Detective Sergeant Mohane, cold case unit with one suspect. With the Nongoma case number 163/10/2018. Also the rights, his legal rights and SAP 14 intervened. SAP 14, 512666765, the time of arrest, 2100 with no injuries. Contact number of Sergeant Mohane.
Lana ke fundeka ngalendlela kubhaliwe ke kusaqhubeka ngabufakazi bange 2 November 2023 Mohane kubhaliwe ke lana ukuthi ke uDetective Sergeant Mohane obuya ke ngaphansi kwayo ke i-cold case unit nomsola oyedwa ngecala ke kaNongoma unumber 16310/2018 kanye ke namalungelo akhe ke ngokomthetho noma ngokommeli kanye nayo ke i-SAP 14 Mnumzane Mohane SAP 14 512666765 isikhathi sokuboshwa u9 ebusuku engalimele kanye futhi ke nezinamba zocingo zakhe uSergeant Mohane.
Yes, I saw, my lord.
Ngiyabona ngosenkantolo.
And you also testified, you were referred to exhibit LL1 yesterday.
Yes.
Ubuziwe ke ngalo ke iphepha lamalungelo izolo yebo.
Mohane here is confirming that also the rights to his legal rights was issued.
Yes, I follow, my lord.
Lana ke kulofakazi okufundwayo Mnumzane Mohane uyasho ukuthi amalungelo akhe amalungelo kommeli okubayela nommeli kanye ne-SCP 40 of Ntanzi yebo ngikulandela.
You tell me that the exhibit L1 under which case was the notice of
Ufakazi ubuka ke lona ke iphepha lamalungelo esho ukuthi la 163/10/2018.
So the notice of right also was issued under the case number wherein Mr. Bongani Ntanzi was not a suspect in respect of the SAPS records.
That is correct, my lord.
Ngaba lokho kusho ukuthi ke uMnumzane Ntanzi wanikezwa ke iphepha lamalungelo la khona ke wayengasiyena ke umsolwa ngokwama record ke amaphoyisa o163/10/2018 yebo ngosenkantolo.
Let's then move to page 22. OB entry number 494. That's the entry you also read yesterday into the record.
494, the date please. David Fumble, please.
Fine. Here is written on the record when he was testifying, Mr. Mohane. The serial number is 494. The time is 16:55. Just checking the OB entry that time. It is written investigation out. It is Detective Sergeant Mohane of National Cold Case Investigation Unit with one suspect. Nongoma case 163/10/2020, which one suspect of the Nongoma case of 2018. We have rectified. That was the refer. Yes, can you read that entry?
467 OB, yeah?
OB. Yes. 467/22/42.
Thanks, my lord. In transition, Detective Sergeant Mohane of National Cold Case Unit with one male suspect on Nongoma case 163/10/2018, Bongani Ntanzi, 14 number 64/6/2020, SAP 14 A512666765. Time of arrest is 2100 hours with no injuries. Contact number of Sergeant Mohane is 0712426565, and then the office number I think is 012406934.
Lana ke ubhaliwe ngaphansi kwakhe u467 ngazo i16 ka June 2020 467 isikhathi u2242 so Detective Sergeant Mohane we National Cold Case Unit nomsola oyedwa umuntu wesilisa kwicala laKwaNongoma 163/10/2018 Bongani Ntanzi SAP 1464/06/2020 SAP 14A 512666765 isikhathi sokuboshwa u9 ebusuku engalimele noma wayengalimele ubhalwa ke inamba ke yakhe yokuxhumana uSergeant Mohane kanye ke neyase office.
Okay, what does that entry mean?
Sorry, all right.
What does that entry mean?
That entry means that the suspect that they are detaining is going to be transferred or taken where the crime committed. That is why that in transit. So they are keeping him temporarily with the hope that on the following day he will be taken to where he's supposed to be or to appear in court in that jurisdiction.
Okushiwo yilo mbhalo ke ukuthi ke umsolwa ke wayivalelwe lana okwesikhashana ngokuthi ke ngakusasa wayizohanjiswa ke aye lapho ke icala lenzeka khona nalapho ke kufanele ukuthi khona ke abe ayobingelela imantshi khona.
So, will I be correct with my understanding that it means Mr. Bongani Ntanzi was detained under the Nongoma case 163, 10 of 2018, wherein he was not a suspect, according to the records of the SAPS?
Yes, the case in which he was detained with,
Yes.
he was not a suspect in that case of 163-10-2018.
Ngabe lokho ke kusho ukuthi ke noma ngisho kahle uma ngithi ke la awayegcinwe khona noma evalwe khona umnumzana uNtanzi ke ngaphansi kwakhe 163-10-2018 wayengasiyona ke umsola ngokwamarekhodi amaphoyisa yebo ke ngaphansi ko 163-10-2018 wayengayena umsola.
Can you look in the OB entry under the date of 17 June 2020, the entry, OB entry number 494, 17 June.
Yes, I saw, but not.
Are you there?
Yes, I'm there.
Okay. The suspect now has been detained under the case number that does not exist in the SAPS. Now read there in that entry what it says, 494.
On OP 494 dated the 17th of June, that was made at 1655.
Yes.
In
Made by who?
That was made at 16 Nongoma case 163. Oh, with one suspect on Nongoma case 163-10, he put 2020 here.
Yeah, just read as is.
Okay. 163 of 10-2020 Bongani, Ntanzi cell number 64 of 6-2020, suspect, SAP 14 512 66765 without injuries. Received correctly, and then I think the IO signs here.
Ngaphansi kwakhe ke u494 isikhathi u1655 ukhishwa ke noma ke kuyophenywa ke Detective Sergeant Mukhane we National Cold Case Unit nomsola oyedwa kwicala lakwaNongoma 163-10-2020 Bongani Ntanzi cell 6406-2020 SAPS 14A S1266765 engalimele watholakala kahle wase eyasign.
So what does that entry mean?
It means that the person who booked him out here, he took him out for investigation or maybe for following certain information together with the suspect.
Lona lokhu ke kusho ukuthi ke umuntu ke kuyena wamkhipha lana ke wamkhipha ke ngenhloso ukuthi ke eyophenya noma ke ikhona ke ulwazi ke awaye yolulandelela noma eyophenya ngalo ehamba naye umsolwa.
Will I be correct to say it means on the 17th of June 2020 at 16:55, Mr. Ntanzi was booked out for further investigations by Sergeant Mukhane, and he was booked under the Nongoma case that wherein Mr. Ntanzi was never a suspect.
That is correct, my lord.
Ngizobe ngisho kona ke mangithi ke ngazo i17 kuJune 2020 ngesikhathi ke u1655 umnumzana Ntanzi wakhishwa uyena uSergeant Mukhane emkhipha ke ngaphansi kwale case ke noma ke le number ke yeqala abangasiyona umsolwa kuyona yebo.
Let's move on to page 24 of the same transcript dated 2 November 2023. Line number 6, are you there?
Yes, I'm there, my lord.
Okay. Under Mr. Mukhane, on arrival in the boardroom, we sat down, then we asked him about this Nongoma case.
Sisebona ke ubufakazi bange-2 November 2023 Mukhane sathi ke uma sifika eboardroom sahlala phansi sambuza ke ngalo icala leli lakwaNongoma.
So, do you agree with me? We now know the Nongoma case we are referring to. It's Nongoma case as per, it's the Nongoma case as per case number 163/10 of 2018. So it means Mr. Ntanzi was taken to a boardroom and he was asked about the case in which he was not a suspect according to the system of the SAPS.
That is correct, my lord.
Manje ke siyazi ukuthi icala leli lakwaNongoma ileli ke u16310 of 2018 lana ke uthi ke noma ke lokho bhalwe lana ukuthi ke wathathwa ke kwayiwa naye eboardroom wayebuzwa ngecala lakwaNongoma awayengasiyena umsolwa kulona yebo Nkosi enkantolo.
Okay. Now, we have testified about the arrest and the detention of Mr. Ntanzi and the interview. Now let's move on to the charging of a suspect. What do you understand? What is it that it involves when a person is being charged? A suspect is being charged. He has now been arrested.
Yes.
He has been detained.
Yes.
But now we are now moving to charging the suspect.
So if he's charging a suspect, you need to have a docket.
Asiyeke manje la khona umsolwa athweswa icala ngithi manje useboshiwe-ke wafakwa wavalelwa-ke sokisini la athweswa khona icala okokuqala-ke uma ngabe uthwesa umsolwa icala kufanele ukuthi idokodo ube nalo.
Yes, what else?
And then again, you explain to him or to her, I'm going to charge you on this docket because the evidence contained here is directly pointing to you.
Bese uyamtshela-ke ukuthi manje-ke sengizokuthwesa-ke icala-ke ngaphansi kwalolo-ke idokodo leli ngoba-ke ubufakazi obulana kulona leli dokodo leli bukhomba kuwena.
And then you again explain to him his rights or her rights regarding being represented before one has to obtain a warning statement.
Bese uyamtshela-ke ngamalungelo akhe anawo ilungelo-ke lokuthi-ke abe nommeli ngaphambi kokuthi-ke anikezeke nge-statement noma kwenziwe-ke i-statement ekuziswe kwayiso.
Once all you done that, and then you charge him formally charge him.
Usukwenzile konke-ke lokho yilana-ke manje usumthwesa khona-ke icala.
Sorry, is it not correct that this is a prosecutor who charges, not a policeman? I know we talk loosely, I will charge you. But strictly speaking, it's a prosecutor who charges
My
a
lord,
person.
before this one has to appear in court, he needs to be charged at the police station.
No, fine. But I'm
Yeah.
saying who charges actually.
Yeah, but we normally charge him and then we take him to court and then the court prosecutor go through the docket.
I thought it's a prosecutor who signs the indictment, not as a police person. Is that not so, sir? Okay, never mind.
Inkantolo yona-ke ngokuzwa kwayo-ke noma ngendlela yazi ngayo ukuthi-ke oyena muntu okuyena otshajayo phecelezi-ke othweswa icala ngoba uyena-ke osayinda-ke incwadi lena-ke enamacala phecelezi-ke i-charge sheet ukuthi-ke inkantolo ithi yona-ke umshushisi kodwa uyaqaqisa-ke noma uyasho ufakazi ukuthi bona ngaphambi kokuthi umuntu ahanjiswe aye enkantolo yila athweswa khona noma achajwa khona e-police station.
Okay.
I do understand, my lord, but since this suspect is booked out for investigation and then they take him to boardroom, they further interviewed him. So if you take him back to the cells, you cross-index that entry that you book him out. That suspect is booked back and he is formally charged under this case number that you book him out. And that OP, we are going to put it at the page 5 of the docket. That this person has been charged, formally charged.
Yes,
and then you
because-
take the docket straight to court to the prosecutor.
Who signs the indictment?
It's the prosecutor. my
That's
lord.
it. That's charging a person. Actually, I know we speak loosely. Charge. Actually, when you are charged, it's when they put the charge to you in court and you are asked to plead. That completes the charging. Anyway, that's what I learned.
Okay.
Okwenzekayo-ke uma ngabe umuntu ekhishiwe nanjengoba kubhaliwe-ke lana ukuthi-ke booked out ukuthi-ke kwenziwa-ke uphenyo nanjengoba kubhaliwe-ke lana ukuthi kwahanjiswa-ke waya e-boardroom uma ngabe sekubuywa-ke uyabhalwa-ke kushiwo-ke ukuthi-ke uyabuyiselwa nokuthi-ke manje usuyatshelwa-ke ukuthi manje usuthweswa icala phecelezi-ke usuyachajwa-ke ngalo icala leli.
Thank you, Lieutenant Panel. Please don't be distracted. I am asking this from you as an experienced police officer. The process, explain the process of charging a suspect as a police officer. What does that involve? Or what does that entail? As a police officer, forget about the prosecutor. I'm asking you about the role that is played by the member of the SAPS who is handling a suspect.
So that means, my lord, that sub-patrol is ready to be taken to court to appear on the case officially is charged for.
Lokho-ke manje sekusho ukuthi-ke uyaqhubeka-ke manje uKenya kuloko kusho loyo muntu uselungele-ke manje ukuthi-ke usengaya-ke enkantolo ayobingelela-ke imanje kwicala lelo-ke alithwesiwe noma amacala awethwesiwe.
So after charging the suspect, you then record on page or on the docket.
Page 5 of the docket.
Usukwenzile-ke lokho ila obhala khona-ke manje ku-page 5 walo idokodo.
Who then records on page 5 of the docket that the suspect has now been charged? Is it a police officer or is the prosecutor?
It's a police officer who's charging that suspect.
Banike manje obhalayo laphayana-ke ku-page 5 ngaba umshushisi noma yiphoyisa lelo ekuyilona elithwese umsolwa icala.
Is the prosecutor allowed to make entries in that docket to say, I have charged the suspect?
From my experience, I never saw it.
Ingabe umshushisi uvumelekile yini-ke ukuthi-ke asayindeke noma abhaleke lapho kulelo dokodo ukuthi-ke umsolwa ngimthwese icala kwisipiliyoni sami enginaso-ke angikazeke ngihlangane nako lokho.
Okay, from the experience in the SAPS service, can the suspect be taken to court for appearance without being charged by a member of the SAPS and wait for the prosecutor to charge the person?
No. No, my lord.
Ngesipiliyoni naso-ke emaphoyiseni ingaba umuntu-ke kufanele yini alinde umshushisi-ke ngaphambi kokuthi aye enkantolo ukuthi-ke loyo muntu-ke yileso isikhathi azoya ngasenkantolo uma ngabe esetshajwe umshushisi engachajwanga noma-ke engathweswanga amacala iphoyisa cha ngosenkantolo.
Okay. Now let's go to what Mr. Sergeant Mohane said in this court on page 32 of the transcript of the 2nd November 2023. Line number 18. We're going to read this entry and then also the entry number 532. You see the 532 that is referred to.
Yes, I see.